Integumentary system is the largest organ system covering the body surface with a total area of about 1.7 meters square in adult function. Protection, thermoregulation, sensory reception, and immune defense. Structure. Epidermis. This is the stratified squamous epithelium. Layers from superficial to deep is stratum corneum. Keratinized protective barrier. Stratum lucidum. Only in palms and soles, transparent layer. Stratum granulosum. Contains a keratohyaline granule, forms the water barrier. Stratum spinosum. Provides a mechanical strength, contains the Langerhans cells. Stratum basale. Single cell layer with the keratinocytes and the melanocytes. Turnover time 28 days. Dermis. Connective tissue, vasculature, nerves, and the appendages. Divided into papillary dermis, thin collagen. Type 3 fibers support the epidermis. Reticular dermis, dense, thick type 1 collagen fibers. Subcutaneous tissue. Adipose tissue for the insulation and the energy storage. Glands, sebaceous glands. Holocrine secretion associated with the hair follicles absent on the palms and soles. Eccrine spike glands are thermoregulation distributed widely. Apocrine spike glands are active post-puberty found in the axillary, genital areas and the areolae. Blood supply. Epidermis is avascular. Nutrients diffuse from the dermal capillaries. Glomus bodies in the dermis regulate the temperature. Key feature. Melanocyte produce melanin. Variation in the activity causes the pigmentation difference. Langerhans cells, antigen present in human cells in the epidermis. Vertical cell mechanoreceptor for the touch. Layers of epidermis. Stratum corneum, lucidum, granulosum, basale, spinosum. Skin turnover time approximately 28 days. Sebaceous glands, holocrine glands absent in palms and soles. Eccrine glands widely distributed, regulate the body temperature. Melanocyte function produces a melanin, one melanocyte per 36 keratinocytes. Langerhans cell. Immune function antigen presenting in the epidermis. Dermal layers papillary. Type 3 collagen reticular. Type 1 collagen. Subcutaneous fat provides the insulation protection against the trauma. Pigmentation variation due to the melanocyte activity, not the number. Reticulines. Developmental growth pattern in the skin. Special glands. Mammalian glands. Sebaceous eyelid. Cerebrous glands. Apocrine. External ear canal. Keratinization. Conversion of keratinocytes to keratin over 4 weeks. Clinical time. Acanthosis. Thickened stratum spinosum. Parakeratosis. Patent nuclei in the stratum corneum. Hyperkeratosis. Thickened stratum corneum.